Do you want to make your WordPress site look more professional? Let's add a site icon, also known as a fave icon. In this video, I will show you how to add site icon in WordPress. So it's that tiny image you see in browser tabs, bookmarks, and mobile shortcuts. So first, go ahead and download your site icon to your local drive. So after that, go ahead and open WordPress, and on WordPress, head over into the settings tab. So go ahead and click on settings from here, and then on the settings page, click on this choose a site icon. So that will allow you to view your media library for existing uploads that you have. But if you don't have one yet on your uploads, you can simply click on the select files button, and that will take you to your local drive. And then on your local drive, go ahead and select your site icon file, and then click on the set as site icon button at the bottom right of your screen, and then click on this crop image button to proceed on adding this image as your site icon. Scroll down at the bottom of this page and you'll find the save changes button. Click on this, and then once you try to view your page, such as the pages that you've created on your WordPress website, you will be able to find the site icon at the top left of your screen. Like this tutorial, hit subscribe, and let's keep building smarter websites together.